If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, I welcome you all to this new lecture on intermediate level where we are solving previous year JEE Main questions on parabola. So today we will be solving 6 questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Okay, then let's try to solve this question. So in question number 1, the normal at the point this meets point this on a parabola meets the parabola again at another point. So normal at a point meeting parabola at another point. So I have given it in a theory in a intermediate level. So you can check that theory. So this specific article, if a point parabola, if normal at T1 meets the parabola at T2, then what will happen? So this is T1, this is T2. In place of A only B is there. So you can I can directly write from that conclusion it was minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Normal at T1. And it is meeting at T2. So you can check that one. I will give a link. You can check that theory if you have not seen that one. So I am not doing this one. It is the exactly same way that we have proved that one. So it is standard formula. You can remember from that article or you can check that article once again. So if you come to 2, if A is not equal to 0, the line this passes through the point of intersection of the parabola this and this. Okay, so you have a parabola this and this. Though this will also you will know it a little. Now you will know y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4y. This is x square equal to 4ay because it is x square, so it will be symmetry about y. This is y square equal to 4ax. This is y square equal to 4ax. Now if you solve this one, you will know what are the intersecting. So a straight line which passes through these points, they are saying, passes through the points of intersection. So these are the points of intersection. This is 1, 0, 0. And this is another one. So another one, you know which one will be this one. You can solve this one, or by seeing also you can say it is 1, 1. If you put 1, 1, then both these equations are satisfying. Or else you solve this. And you remember this also. These parabola, standard parabolas. So you can apply. In place of x, you can apply y square by 4a, then whole square from here. So solving these two equations. Using this one and then putting the from y. Calculating x from here, I am putting there. So it is 4ay. So it is y to the power 4 by 16a square minus 4ay is equal to 0. So you can say it is y cube minus 4a by 16a square is equal. It will be 1, 1 if a is equal to 1. So it will not be 1, 1. It will be a. So let us see. Wait for here. Or 4a. Actually it is y square equal to x, x square equal to y. I was telling about 1, 1. So you just see here. So y equal to 0 and another equation will be y cube equal to, it is 64a cube, that is y is equal to 4a. So once y is equal to 4a, you can put it in any one of the equations. So you will find x square equal to 4a into 4a. Suppose in equation 1 I am putting this is 1, this is 2. So x is equal to also 4a. So you can see this one because y is equal to 4a, then x is also equal to 4a. So you can find this one. So it is 4a comma 4a. This point. So this is not 1, 1. 1, 1 will be it is x square equal to y square equal to x. Okay. So if the line passes through 0, 0, so that's what we know. It is passing through 0, 0 and 4a. So let us now put it there. So because it is passing through 0, 0 and they have given the equation of this line is passing through this. So if I put 0, 0, it should satisfy. So that means d will be obviously 0 because it is passing through origin. I told you anything passing through origin there will be no constant term. So d is 0. So the equation is 2bx plus 3cy is equal to 0. Now it is passing through 4a comma 4a. So if you put 4a, then plus 3c into 4a is equal to 0. If you take 4a common, then 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. You can divide it by 4a because 4a is not equal to 0. Then it will not be a parabola itself. So you have two things. One is this, one is this. Now see the options. So I have told you in quadratic equation, if the squares of two numbers equal to 0, that means each number is equal to 0. Otherwise it is not possible because square cannot be negative. So both are positive. Summation of two positive number is 0 means both can be 0. That's the only possibility because the minimum value of this one is 0, this one is. It cannot go negative. So if it is a positive, then addition will never be 0. So both has to be 0. So if you see here d has to be 0, this also has to be 0. 2b plus 3c and it is 2b plus 3c. Okay, it is 3b plus 2c, 2b minus 3c, 3. So obviously this one. This means, this equation means d equal to 0, this equal to 0. So one way of writing is this one and another way they have twisted it in this one. So you need to apply quadratic concept also. Now if you come to 3, the locus of the vertex of the family of the parabola is this. So you need to locus of the vertex. So let us calculate the vertex of this one, and let me take that vertex, because for whose vertex is required we take vertex as h comma k. Okay, so let us, because there is no a, so let us find the vertex first of this one. That is interesting. So if you can change a cube and y, if you keep it only x square that side, so it will be 3y by a cube, and then x square plus 3x by 2a minus 6 by a square. So let us make it in the format of that standard format, y minus h whole x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k, something of this fashion. Okay, so for that we need to make it perfect square. So x square plus 2 into 3 by 2a, 3x by 2a, then 1 by 2. So minus 6 by a square, or let me see what is b. I have given a is x, so what is b? B is this much, that is 3 by 4a. So that should be plus 3 by 4a whole square, b square, minus 3 by 4a whole square, minus 6 by a square. So if you do this one, it will be ax plus 3 by 4a whole square, and then minus, if you do this one, I am directly writing it is 106 by 16a square. If you take LCM and do, it will come. Okay, so finally you can write it x plus 3 by 4a whole square, 3 by a cube, if you take common, it will be y plus 35a by 16. It is 105. You side change and then you take common, then you will find it. Okay, so what is your vertex now? So therefore your h is equal to, vertex is minus 3 by 4a and k is equal to minus 35a by 16. So what you need? You need to find the equation of hk. There should not be any a. So if you multiply this, then you will find the equation of hk. You can say with no a. So h into, you need to just find the equation, or you put in equation hk this one, which equation satisfies, that will be the answer, because this is the hk vertex, so that vertex should satisfy its locus. So you put hk here, which one is satisfying, that is answer. Or you think from here you need to have equation of h and k in terms of only constant, no a, b, c. If you take product, then it is directly gone, a will be gone, so it will be 105 by 64. That is hk, you can treat it as xy is equal to 105 by 64, that is option C. Now if you come to equation number 4, the equations of the tangent to parabola, this is this one. Okay, the point on this line from which another tangent to the parabola, that is perpendicular to given tangent. So this one also we have discussed in perpendicular tangents or director circle. If you have a parabola, because it is y square equal to 4ax, means this type of fashion, y square equal to 4 into 2 into x, and this is a, means here 2, so the focus is at 2 comma 0, so your directrix will be at x is equal to minus 2, because this length is 2, so this length should be 2. And one equation they have given, y equal to x plus 2, something of this fashion, suppose y equal to x plus 2, then you need to draw a perpendicular. So perpendicular tangents can be drawn from the, this directrix only, because it is the director circle. So from the director circle only perpendicular tangents can be drawn. So this is perpendicular line, if my drawing is correct. So always perpendicular tangents that can be drawn from the directrix only. So the coordinate of this position will be x equal to minus 2, y can change. So from the point from which you can draw is minus 2 comma k, and it is because both these will be same, y is equal to x plus 2. So this line and this line has to pass through this point, because from the directrix you are drawing two lines, both are perpendicular to each other, and it is touching the parabola. That is the possibility you can have in terms of parabola. We have explained, you can check that, I will also give that link also. So it is minus 2 comma k. So because it also lies on this point, because it is the intersecting of both these tangents, perpendicular tangents. So if you put x equal to minus 2, it should satisfy. So y is equal to 0. So this point is nothing but minus 2 comma 0. So that is your option C. You can see if minus 2 is only one option, abscissa minus 2 is only one option. So by seeing that also you can see, because the perpendicular tangents always comes from directrix. So directrix is always x equal to minus 2. So x should be minus 2. Y it can be anywhere, because from any point you can draw, but x should be minus 2. Because here directrix is x equal to minus 2. Now if you come to question number 5. If a parabola has the origin at its focus, if parabola has the origin as its focus, so the origin, that is 0, 0 is it in its focus, and line x equal to 2 is its directrix. So this is its focus f(0,0), and x equal to 2 is this one, suppose, and this is its directrix. So the distance from focus, so the vertex will be where? Because the origin, a parabola has origin as its focus, so this is focus, so obviously vertex will be somewhere, because vertex is always midpoint of these two. From vertex to focus and vertex to directrix it should be same, so your parabola obviously will look like this. So vertex will be obviously at midpoint of these two, because this is 2, 0, so it will be at 1, 0. Then the vertex of the parabola is obviously at 1, 0. That is option C. By seeing the basic property of parabola, vertex should be at equidistance from your directrix and focus. Number 6. If two tangents are drawn from a point of P to the parabola y square equal to 4x are at right angles, again 90 degree perpendicular tangents are drawing. So the locus of P. So you know which one is the locus of P? Director circle. Because director circle is the line from even if it is circle, in case of parabola it becomes line. Here it is directrix circle, directrix. So you know the y square equal to 4x. So y square equal to 4x is this fashion, y square equal to 4x, focus it at 1, 0. So directrix is at x equal to -1. So from this line only you can draw perpendicular tangents from any point. All these tangents will be perpendicular. So this locus is nothing but the directrix. That is, for in case of parabola it is x equal to -1. That is its director circle, which is directrix in case of parabola. So 6, it is C. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.